Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-OME-MS42-HDBT. The OME-MS42-HDBT is a new version of the OME-MS42 matrix switcher. It features an HDBaseT input that replaces DisplayPort on the original model. We have had many requests to offer the MS42 with an HDBaseT input. From the Omega Room Builder, many visitors have created systems with an extender going into the MS42. The new MS42 HDBT will avoid the need to add an extender. You'll just need a compatible Omega transmitter. Here is a visual summary of the key features of the OME MS42 HDBT. 4K 60 444 and HDR on local inputs and HDMI output. Connect a PC and microphone or speakerphone for video conferencing. Use Velocity Device Manager and Web GUI for setup and management. USB-C HDMI and HDBaseT inputs. Mirrored or matrixed HDMI and HDBaseT outputs. USB-C input for AV, data, and powering. USB 2.0 hub and extension over HDBaseT. Automatic input selection. Audio de-embedding. Available occupancy sensor triggering. Here is a closer look at the USB host integration. You can connect up to 4 USB hosts. 3 are local, while the 4th is over HDBaseT from the Omega transmitter. There are several options for switching between USB hosts. The switching can be manual or automatic. In follow USB mode, the hosts are switched independent of AV. In follow AV mode, AV and USB are switched together. A USB Type-B host port can be assigned to an AV input. Here are the products that will be compatible with the MS42 HDBT. Please note that other Omega devices have not been fully validated for this product. Therefore, they are not recommended for the MS42 HDBT at this time. The OME MS42 HDBT is ideal for commercial and education applications. We'll go more into applications in the following slides. This product is great for modern meeting rooms with 2 displays and minimal furniture. You can tuck away the MS42 HDBT in the credenza. AV input access can be provided on a wall near the table. The matrixed HDMI and HDBaseT outputs allow integration with displays on the near or adjacent walls. Here is a wiring diagram for another meeting room application. There is a transmitter at the meeting table for BYOD. The MS42 HDBT is installed with AV sources in a credenza. This setup allows for not just 2 displays, but also 2 cameras, which is becoming more popular in meeting rooms. The MS42 HDBT is also ideal for classroom applications. The main system with the MS42 HDBT is in a desk or lectern. The remote input offers an opportunity to provide AV access for a student to connect a laptop and present to the class. For more information on the AT-OME-MS42 HDBT, go to www.atlona.com.